So that's it then. So we have the gas coming out of here. This is sealed up into the bottom of the water, out of the top of the water, into the bottom of the desiccator, out of the top of the desiccator, into the bottom of the wire wool, out of the top of the wire wool, into the gas bag. We have one adapter here, we can shut it off there if you want to, and also down here. Here we have shut off for the whole bag, and we have a double thing shut off here, so we can disconnect this pipe, and this can be the out for the gas in the bag. Another thing to note in here is I've used these because they allow me to put in sensors if I want, so I can drill more holes like this and put more sensors into the tops of these. For example, in the desiccator I could put a moisture sensor to see when I need to change all that. In the water sensor I could put a sensor to see when this is saturated with carbon dioxide. Next few things to do is to work out how we can heat this over winter without using too much energy. So I've got the heater that I had last winter. This is a 300 watt heater. I'm probably going to change this down to a 100 watt heater, but we're going to do some sensors. So we're going to put the temperature probe back in and work out how much energy it takes to keep it warm, and see if it's worthwhile heating at all to get some gas out. I've also reseeded it with some cow manure, so I've filled up with half cow manure, and we're going to turn the heater on now and we're going to get it pumping. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.